Hey guys, welcome to Tech Boost. So if you've ever started up Windows or if you've restarted your system and you've noticed that there's a bunch of apps that open right when you turn it on, and you might want to disable some of these apps, or maybe you want to enable an app that's been disabled or something, today I'll show you guys how you can really easily do that as it's now integrated right into the Windows settings. So you don't really have to go into the task manager and do it from there or from the control panel or anything like that. So the easy way to do this is just to go to the search bar on the bottom and just search for, you can also go into settings and apps, but an easy way to do it is just right here. So then just search for startup apps, and then you just want to choose startup apps, and this is going to open up these settings. And once you're in there, it'll show basically all the apps that you have available to automatically start up, and then you can just choose if you want an app to boot right when you start your system or if you don't. So if I just go ahead and select, maybe I don't want the Xbox app to start up, I can just select that, and from now on, every time I restart my system or turn it on, that will not open right when I turn it on. So really easy thing to do, and they've now moved it to the settings so it's much easier and easier to find. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching today's video. If you like today's video and would like to see more videos, please be sure to subscribe. And yeah, that's it for today's video.